So I just learned again how important it is for dads to spend one-on-one time with your babies. So my wife and I went on a trip to Florida with our daughter for the first time on a flight for my wife's work trip. And we were there for 4 days, and she had to spend the majority of the time either working or with her coworkers, going to lunch, dinner, that kind of stuff. So I spent all 4 days pretty much one-on-one with my daughter at the hotel. Before this trip, my daughter would only eat for my wife, and I mean only. And then after spending 4 days with her, just she and I one-on-one, she'll now eat with me at least as much as she will my wife. We slept in, we went to the pool, we walked around the town, and it was just her and I for 4 days. So I've said this in a previous video, but it's really important for dads to spend one-on-one time with your babies early on to help build the bond. I originally took 3 weeks off of work when my daughter was born, but my wife had like 12 weeks off. So she had a lot more time to build a one-on-one bond with our daughter. And I could legitimately see a difference once that 12 weeks was over and I had been back to work. And I'd done a couple of these outings with my daughter, taking her somewhere, just the two of us, but it wasn't the same thing as spending like 4 straight days one-on-one with her. It's like we rekindled that bond that we had in the first 3 weeks after my wife had a C-section. And so I had a lot of the responsibility of doing the one-on-one things with our daughter. So after spending 4 days with her in Florida, it felt like that was back, but more mature because she's 6 months old now. So dads, please set aside time to spend large chunks of time with your babies when they're babies.